What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see right here, and as you can see in the title, it's giveaway time. I've been meaning to do one for a while, and then I thought, no, I'll wait till I get to 1,000 subscribers. And then I had this stuff sat here and I thought, Jimmy, if you want to do one, just get one done. Why wait? So here we are, giveaway time. And in this giveaway, guys, we have got 2 dash cams, one for the front, one for the back, a spinning alloy yo-yo, air freshener keeping that car fresh there, guys, 3 stickers and some foam pads to keep that reg on just in case you ever need them, something to keep on the drawer. And yeah, guys, there we are, that is the giveaway. And all you have to do to win these items is subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, like this video, then go down to the description in this video, go to my Facebook, Let's Talk Cars Facebook, leave a like on there, come back to this video, comment saying done, and then I'll check, see who has actually done it, all the people who have done it. A week's time from now, I will put all your names into a hat or into a ball or whatever I have at that time, pick us out, and whoever wins, there is only one place, by the way, guys, there's no runner-up. This is the prize, you win it or you lose it, but whoever's names comes out of there you go, guys, you have won this. 2 dash cams, yo-yo, freshener, sticky back pads, 3 stickers right there. That's all you gotta do, and I'll see you guys in a week's time to see who wins. Until then, peace out and take care.